The flex cable can become snagged during printer head movements, resulting in interruptions while printing. This specific wiring issue significantly impacts the printer's overall functionality. One possible cause of this issue is a paper jam, which can lead to the flex cable bending during attempts to remove the jammed paper. To address the obstruction, replacing the damaged flex wire is one viable solution. Alternatively, temporarily relocating the wire away from the printer carriage may provide immediate relief. However, it's essential to acknowledge the risks associated with DIY repairs. If you lack familiarity with these processes, seeking professional assistance is often a safer option. For printers still under warranty, taking them back to the supplier for repairs is advisable. Yet, be cautious, as using replacement inks could potentially void that warranty, complicating matters. While temporary solutions may provide some immediate benefits, they are not long-term fixes. Recognizing when to consult a professional is vital for ensuring your printer remains functional over time.